Hi everyone, welcome to Box Break. Today we're gonna rip 2019-2020 Panini Chronicles. And you can still get this at your local Target stores. However, as usual, it's really hard to find. So just in case, you can also buy them on eBay, but they're selling it there for around 50 to 60 bucks. And that is crazy, right? And so here we have 8 packs in a box and 5 cards in a pack. And we are hoping to get one of these guys. Hoping to get a Ja or a Zion Williamson. A Kobe White would be good too. And now I think Hero's a good pull too. So let's get onto it. Let's rip this box. There you go. 8 packs. And let's get on to the first one. First off, Darius Garland. Let's put all the rookie cards on the right. We get Goga Bitadze and a Brandon Clark. That's a pretty cool card. We got here Jarrett Culver and a Giannis Antetokounmpo. Just gonna go to our left. Let's open the next pack. I wonder if you really get signature cards here, like autos. Let's see. Alright. Next pack. We have Kendrick Nunn. Jarrett Culver again. Keldon Johnson. And Jaren Jackson Jr. And Kendrick Nunn. So I just noticed when I'm opening Chronicles, I always get at least 5 rookies per pack, and that's really good. Unlike other packs, you only get at least 1 or 2. Here it's majority rookies. So here we got Jordan Poole, RJ Barrett, and Stephen Curry. And the Kobe White marquee. That one's pretty cool. Right, and a pink Darius Garland. On to the next pack. So we have 5 left. Hoping to get more good ones. Here we have Sekou Doumbouya. Right. Devin Booker. Another Giannis Antetokounmpo. Rookie and Stars. Luka Doncic tread. Second year Lucas are in demand too. Let's put it over here. And Darius Garland. Open the next one. Oh, this is pretty easy to open. Unlike the illusions, the packs are really hard to open. We have here Nicolo Melli, Donruss, Jackson Hayes, I'm sorry, Matty Styblu, and Kyle Lowry. Whew. Tyler Hero Markey. That's pretty neat as well. We got 3 packs left. Hope we get something better than those. Let's see. Alright. I see this one's alright. We have another Matisse side blue. Have here Terrence Davis from Raptors, Cameron Johnson from Suns, another Stephen Curry, Prestige, and Eric Pascal. I've been getting a lot of Eric Pascal this past few rips. Let's see, down to our last 2 packs. Let's see if we're gonna get lucky. Alright, let's see. Anthony Davis, another Luka, second year Luka. We have here Rui Hachimura, Calvin Johnson Markey, and Jarrett Culver, pink marquee. And on to the last pack. Right, I hope we get something good. Alright. There you go. I close my eyes. Hopefully we get something good from this last pack. First off, we got Keldon Johnson, another Jarrett Culver, PJ Washington Jr., Bam Adebayo, and what are we getting for our last card? Luka Doncic Essentials. That is a really cool card. I'm happy with this rip. I think I got 3 Lukas and a lot of rookie cards, so give me 5 seconds, I'll show you my top cards. So here are the cool cards that I got from the blasters. So obviously the Lukas, and I have here Tyler Hero Markey. I think he's a very promising player, and I hope his card values go up. And I also have here a Kobe White Marquee. It's pretty cool as well. And of course I got this for the first time, an Airborne Red from Chronicles. Pretty nice. So that's it for this rip. So I'll see you guys on the next one.